Dun-dun. Good morning.
What is this, Leo? Must be 4 o'clock in the morning. And at the time, how much ever boost up, you will never forget to set the alarm.
Duty is duty always. There's nothing more important than love.
These are the problems with men. They don't care about the moods of women. You always concerned about yourself. You have a one child, still you behaving like this.
Darling, though squirrel gets matured, it doesn't forget to climb the tree. Come, darling.
Off.
Huh?
Chhi.
What?
Bad smell. Smell of fermented drink.
Okay, then forget this portion. Enjoy the rest of the all. Should I do mouthwash and come?
Stop all this romance. After this, I have to sleep again, I know.
This shift-wise duty will always be on, darling. Come.
See? Today we need to go
Where?
to Supreme Mall.
Oh my God.
The exhibition is only till today. They are 50% discount in jute and silk raw.
Darling, there is 50% discount only. I am offering you 100% discount, okay? Come lie down. Yes. Let's enjoy our moment. Yes. Brahmin girl is cooking omelette.
Don't tease me, huh? Brahmin girl has no problem even now, huh? Even a pure veg person also. Our cute daughter can't eat anything without egg. After all, she is a daughter of Christian.
That's what we call real communal harmony. It has been 5 years. There's no problem between us. Have I not kept you happy? Are you not kept like a precious stone?
It's because I too also go for a job. Otherwise, you would have seen it. A good amount goes for your drink itself.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, little angel, my pinky sweetie. Mwah.
Only good morning for dad, not for mommy.
Say good morning.
Good morning, Mummy.
Enough. Daddy and daughter go and get ready fast. I have to reach the office a little early.
Absolutely right.
What happened?
I don't know what's wrong. Don't know what's wrong with this car. You take auto and go.
Okay, this is not the first time happening.
This car is having more tantrums than my wife.
This happens all the time, Leo. I have been asking you sell this car and get a new one.
Yeah, but someone should buy this car. Even I am also confused. Every week new car arrives. Don't know which one to buy. Should go for petrol or should go for diesel. Sometimes petrol cost hikes, sometimes diesel cost hikes. Don't know what to do. Sometimes I think we should go for BMW or Audi. Are you getting late?
Whatever I am going.
I'm fed up of this car.
Now the time is 11:30. How can we rely on such people? He thinks others are just fool.
Hi, is there sir inside?
He has been like this since beginning. Are we fools? We are also working. Don't teach me what to do and what not to do. I know him very well.
Oh, sorry sir, I'm late for a few minutes. I was just on the way, sir.
Little? One day means it's 24 hours for all of us. I know it's 34 hours for you alone.
No sir, my vehicle got broke down.
No, vehicle broke down, tearing on the way. What are you doing, man?
Nothing like that, sir. There was a camel standing upright on my way, and he was not even ready to move away. All the two-wheelers drove down between its legs. It must have run away from the circus group. Usually, we see them only in Gulf countries, right? But in our country...
Please. No, you do one thing. Right now, I'm discussing about touring group. Hari will meet the MD.
Okay, sir.
Sir, that proposal was dead by Leo. Is it okay?
Do you have any problem about that?
No, I don't have any problems.
Then do it.
Sir.
This is the manual copy of the statement of Delhi branch of February. Clear all the doubts.
Okay, sir.
Abhi, which is this file?
Delhi branch.
Oh, thank God. We would have been in trouble without
My
this.
luck.
Abhi,
Yeah?
can I have the file after you check it?
Sure.
You came by auto rickshaw today. What happened?
Car broke down.
You were going to book a new one, isn't it?
Yeah, we booked.
Which one?
8 years Leva?
Oh. Ours is also Leva. I like it. Very comfortable. But my baby is bored of it. It's only 3 months since we purchased it. After our marriage, we purchased 5 vehicles. Out of which 3 are still in our courtyard. And now, one more vehicle is booked. It's yet to come in the market. It's BB. Hello. Hi. What are you doing?
This color seems to be superb, isn't it?
Actually, I was about to tell you, ma'am. This color is superb.
Ma'am, all say, but it's their lucky color.
Eventually, you can save 20,000 rupees, ma'am. If you'll book this car before 31st of this month.
After that?
Sorry, ma'am. The offer will end soon.
What happened, madam?
Madam liked the car, but she can want the delivery by this month only.
Oh, then you will lose this offer, ma'am. Okay, what about first week of next month? That too is not confirmed, but let me try.
Let me think and inform you.
Okay, madam.
Park the vehicle there. Abhirami, how are you?
Fine.
Came so early after job?
Not so early. This is the time.
Oh, how lucky. 10 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock in the evening. By the way, my new serial will be telecasted from today. You should watch it. Our TRP rating will increase. Love as deeply as ocean. It's at 8:30 at night. We'll watch, right?
Ma'am, your keys.
Yes. See you.
That's also gone.
Mama.
You go. I'll come. This is your homework now, isn't it? Go and try yourself. I'm going to make my coffee. If I wash all these, hands will be fully oily. If I will hire a servant, it will charge a 12,000.
Sorry, darling. I forgot about your sari.
Oh, but that's not a new thing. I call you for something else.
What?
If you want to have dinner tonight, you have to get some carry-out food.
Why? Today you're not cooking?
How to cook? Pinky is having exam tomorrow.
Darling, she is in UKG. There's what to worry about that.
UKG means There is nothing to study.
Okay, what should I buy?
Whatever we usually buy. Then buy 4 to 5 packets of gloves and while coming back from any medical shop, please bring some Whisper packets.
Only Whispers packet or something else also?
Oh, I forgot that. What is wrong if you buy that for me?
No, there's no problem in it. The problem is this few days.
Is there any problem, sir?
No, there's no problem. You will not be able to solve it. You can't give all work to Bengalis. Want to eat chicken, baby? Little bit. No, take it. Why are you not using the plates?
Then I will have to wash that too. My hands have become dirty washing all these vessels. Let it be. Were you late today? You went to the bar on your way? So there is no gay for that anyway. I asked you to buy a sari for me, which you always forgot.
Our car got repaired today. I have spent it 3,000 bucks on that. No balance in account. Credit card's limit has also expired.
So then what about your drinking? This hasn't stopped. You were not like this hour before marriage? Then it was all okay. Just after one delivery, did I lose my beauty? Oh, don't laugh. I know.
Are you feeling insecure?
Yeah, whatever you say.
What is this? Can we stop this fight at least for now?
But I never started this.
Yeah, that's my fault. I agree. Come on, baby, let's wash our hands.
Oh, now I know. You are showing off to me thinking that there is no gain. I asked to buy a Whisper to reserve for future.
Huh?
Yeah, truly.
Why are you laughing? Like mother, like daughter.
What are you doing?
I was just going through the sketch of our home.
Shall we sell that land?
I've only paid advance for it. Registration is still pending. Don't know what to do. Do you know any of these things?
Oh no, I didn't mean that. Can we not take the money back and buy another plot? I didn't like that plan.
This itself is not affordable. You must be thinking about luxurious villa only. This flat itself is not affordable. Next month rent is going to hike. Madam, it's your responsibility also. Try to do less expenses and try to control the budget. Why do you want to buy unwanted things?
First of all, you have to stop your drinking.
Once there was your dream to have a waterfront villa. You didn't got that villa, but your husband is a water friend, huh?
My dear Leo, it's not that. For all that, anyhow, we need our money. Mostly your friends are settled down in London and Singapore. You all study together. If you had tried, you could also been like that. That's what I'm telling you.
But darling, everyone is not having the same fortune.
Okay, I'm not going to say anything.
Come to the reality. We are all lucky people. Do you know how many people are homeless in this world?
I just don't want to hear your philosophy.
Yeah, you don't love my philosophy, but you love my biology, right? Come on, darling, let's make villa in our dreams. Mwah.
Dear parents, we have assembled here for the second round of the discussion about our sports multiplex so that we can go further. This is to know your response of parents on the matter presented during the wide meeting of Parents Teacher Association. Meeting will held division wise. The meeting from first standard to higher secondary is over. And we have received very good feedback from the parents. And we expect the same from the parents of LKG and UKG students. This project requires a huge amount. We request your complete cooperation in this project. Contribution amount without interest will be returned when the students leave the school after studies. Let me remind you once again, the amount will be refunded to you. Parents can stand up and make their offers now. Adarsh Mohan,
2 lakhs.
Ujjwal S. Menon, 2.4 lakhs. Sanya Matthew,
2.5 lakhs.
Mithun Vijay,
2.5.
Priyanka Leo John,
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs.
Sorry, not 3 lakhs. 50,000.
Oh.
She was saying about 3 lakhs, but now saying 50,000. Relax.
5 lakhs,
2 lakhs.
4 lakhs,
Darling, you could have at least asked me before committing.
If so, then you could have to come for meeting.
But 50,000 is too much.
It would have been shameful to offer less than that. It was like an auction. All were offering 1 lakh, 2 lakh extra like that.
They can do anything. They can spend a lot of money. But our case is different. I am unable to find a way out now. Do you have any idea?
I have only my salary, no incentives.
I could have married some Reserve Bank manager's daughter so that I could get money anytime.
It's not for anyone else, isn't it? In repetitive schools, these are all a usual practice. Otherwise, we can do one thing. Why don't we put her in other school? Only one child we have. We don't have 4-5 kids.
Not my mistake. You should agree for that. 30 rupees, I'll pay. 30 rupees. 10 rupees more. 1 rupees tip.
She.
Ah, Leo, come in. Be seated.
Thank you.
Where is Abhirami?
She is at home. I am on my way back from the office. Didn't go upstairs.
What would you like to have?
Oh, no, I don't want anything. I just came here to tell you something.
What is it, Leo?
I'm feeling very embarrassed, but don't have any other option.
Tell me.
I need 50,000 rupees help from you. Once I get my incentives, I'll pay it back as soon as possible.
Oh, just to tell me this, you were feeling so embarrassed. At least we know each other from the childhood. And we are from the same native and school. Okay, but what is this urgent requirement?
My daughter's school fees.
Oh. Just 1 minute. I don't have the full amount in my hand. Leo, will you collect it?
Thank you.
Oh, accepted.
I have to leave.
Good night.
Good night.
Wow. You came so early today. Why? You didn't have any tension?
Hey, what is all this? Go and wash your face. I can't see your facial expressions.
See, I am looking like a lady devil, isn't it? Just like you should deserve this.
Pinky slept or what?
Yeah, she slept at 7 p.m. itself. She was bored of stirring. So you found any solution? How you will get the money?
I was about to ask you the same. Did you ask anyone at office?
No, I didn't. I feel hesitation.
What happened?
Your face shows you have got the money. Hmm?
I have got it, but it's a check.
What is this, Leo? That was awkward. Oh no, how I will ever face her?
What happened? It was so urgent for us.
What urgency? How dare she to give you so much favor? There is something went wrong. That's why she gave you a check. What she think about her?
Abhi, please don't talk like that. When I asked her for help, she helped me. Why are you shouting so much?
How do you think about her? We don't need her money.
She has not donated this money. It's just a loan.
Whatever it is, let's not have any dealings with her anymore. Give it back to her.
Oh, this is so bad. What will she think about us?
Yes, I am thinking very positive. Wait, I shall go and return her.
What a mad lady you are.
Ah. Oh, it's you, Abhirami. Please come in.
So sorry, not now. There is lot of work in kitchen.
What is it?
Just came to return this check. Leo didn't know that I had the cash with me.
Oh, it's okay. I don't have any urgency now. You can return back later.
Don't want Sandra. We will manage. Let me go.
Why you wanted to meet me urgently?
Oh, don't get tensed up. Yesterday night itself, Abhirami returned the check which I had given it to you.
She had the money with her.
I know, you'll never approach me for money if it was not that important. Wife must not have liked it, right?
Oh no, it's not like that.
Don't worry, I've brought the cash. You don't have to tell this to your wife. I can understand your difficulty. There were days when I too had to undergo these type of problems.
No, you keep it. I'll find some other way.
Why? Getting scared of your wife? I told you, you need not disclose it to Abhirami, huh? You know, daily I am playing different characters on screen. So I can understand the complexes of a woman. Take it. Take it.
Okay.
%5.3% of 80 lakhs. 5.3% of 43 lakhs.
Yeah, it's okay till then. In September 2020, it's 1.3 CR. What about that?
There is a problem in it. We have to verify the new rules of RBI.
Oh. Hello, Leo speaking. Who's this?
Sir, I'm calling from Toyota Motors. Rajiv speaking, sir.
Yes, Rajiv. Tell me.
So your wife have booked the lever car and the offer is valid only for tomorrow.
Who has given you my number?
1 minute, sir. Avirami has gave me your number.
Yes.
Madam asked me to call you. If you want, sir, I can send you
no,
the
not
details.
now. Is this your number? I'll think over and give you a call.
Okay, sir.
I don't understand anything. Have you gone mad or what?
But Leo, what's wrong in that?
What happened? I didn't say anything wrong.
Let me ask you. If we will buy a new car, there is nothing will be bad happen.
No, but you know that is not going to happen.
Yes, I know. But I had just gone there to inquiry only. So why are you shouting at me for that? These showrooms are meant for people to see and do inquiries, isn't it?
Look, darling, don't put me in more trouble. For time being, this is not possible for me.
Leo, simply don't underestimate yourself. Be practical.
I've told you what I had to. Yes, baby, coming.
Oh God. Are you all right? What happened? Anything happened? No.
Oh my God, she met with an accident.
What happened?
Are you all
Are
right,
you
ma'am?
all right?
Ma'am, is she okay?
I'm okay.
Did you get hurt?
Don't worry, I'm okay.
You're very lucky. There was a truck behind.
Thank God. It didn't happen. Whatever it is, go to the hospital.
Yeah, let's go to the hospital.
No, I'm okay.
Please don't be confused. We will have a checkup.
Sir is right. Just get into the car.
Come.
Your name?
Madhav Das.
Please tell me your number, sir.
69841532.
Oh, my carry bag.
You please don't worry. Just go
Come.
straight, ma'am.
Abhirami. Nice name. Are you working?
Yes, in Heights.
Oh, very good.
Please, need not to go to the hospital. I don't have any problem.
Just to avoid any problem which can arise later. I can be tension free also.
Please, nothing will happen. I shall get down here only.
Are you sure?
mm.
What is that?
Sorry.
Let me see. This can't be used now. We can go for another one.
No, I don't want.
You shouldn't treat me as a stranger. It was a mistake that I was driving too fast. To be frank, I can't see someone suffering because of my mistake. It's an incident. Good.
Welcome, sir.
Hello.
Looking for sari? It's there. Yeah.
Which saree you wanna see, sir?
Pick that one.
See this also, sir.
That. No, that blue one.
Different color, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Here. This is the present trending stuff, sir. Good color also.
Abhirami? How is it? Wow, very nice. Did you like it?
Like it, but the price is.
This is little costly.
Costly means how much? 1 lakh?
No, sir.
2 lakh?
No, just 15.
Oh, fine.
Sir, I don't want this. Mine was cheaper.
Oh, please. Like this, Abhirami? Right?
Oh no, I don't want it, sir.
But why? Tell me why. Please, no formalities. Once you like something, don't bother about the price. Alright? Pack it up.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Abhirami, are you married?
Yes,
Husband?
he is working in a private firm.
You are scared? You didn't say where you're going?
No, not because of that.
Yes, it is. I can understand. Kids?
One daughter, she's in UKG.
Is that a lie?
Oh no, not at all. It is true.
But you don't look like a mom. It's a compliment.
Thank you, sir.
Which perfume do you use, Abhirami?
Ice Pro.
Oh, yes, I knew it. Are you crazy about perfumes?
Mm-hmm.
Suppose that a police constable asks you, what you will say? Went to hospital or not?
We went to hospital.
That will be a lie, right? Okay. If you say no, I think that would be something unpleasant, right?
Sir, I shall get down here.
Here.
I shall take an auto rickshaw from here.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
It's my God. Abhirami, your cell number?
I'll call you.
Okay.
Has Pinky slept? Where are you going? Are you going for some midnight mass?
How do I look?
You were wearing the same till now.
But you tell me now. Is it good? Tell me now.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, just good. Then tell me what would be the price?
Around 6,000 rupees only.
Please think before say.
6,000, 7,000, 8,000. Yeah, 6,000 confirm.
Sure. There won't
Yeah.
be any changes.
No, confirm.
Then listen. 3,500.
3,500 only. Then it's worth it.
I know, right? This was a bargaining, dear.
If the bars had this bargaining system, I could have enjoyed booze more.
It's long since I heard any compliment from you. I'm very happy. What should I get you in return?
What to give?
Don't want anything? Nothing?
At a time, one job. When one job is in progress, no other work can be done.
Hey, this came by courier. What is this?
I don't know.
Hope it's not some bomb. Open and check it.
Oh, it's for Leo. His friend sent it.
Still, you open and see.
Just go, dear.
Hey, hello.
Yes.
Madhav Das.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
I had sent you a small gift.
Got it. But it was not necessary.
Oh, it's okay.
Thank you, sir.
I like those who like perfumes. Abhirami, your perfume fragrance still present in my car. Even after Abhirami left the car.
Oh, no.
Did you like the gift?
Yes.
You will like it. Because I know what your taste is. Even we met only once. Okay. Call me. If you have any problem, you may call me anytime.
You had drinks today also?
Only 2 pegs. We had a party in office.
For that, you will always have an excuse.
Now you don't need to fight for that. My problem is not that. Next month we have to register the property.
How often did I tell you to get the advance back?
He got his daughter married with our advance.
Oh. What to do then?
That is the main confusion. We have to do something, darling.
How?
Shall we rob a bank or what?
Jokes apart.
Then what else we can do? Come, let's move inside.
Have you not finished yet?
I don't think this is going to finish even by the dawn. Which perfume is this?
How's it? Good?
Amazing. Something special. Huh? Let me see. Just look at the shape. It must be costly. This is your problem.
Seriously, I didn't buy that. It's a gift.
From where?
You know that Neetu? Her brother brought it from the Gulf.
You are lying.
No, it's the truth.
I know you were trying to convince me. Just look into my eyes. You have paid for it, right? How much? 2,000?
2,000. 1,000 only.
Hmm.
How does this fragrance? Is it good?
I've been feeling this for 5 years. What's special about it now?
Keep all this thing aside. I'm feeling sleepy. Please do no fast.
You go and sleep.
And you?
I want to finish all these things. Then only I can sleep.
Then I'm going to sleep. So, don't keep the alarm.
Good night. Mwah.
Ma'am, phone.
Hello?
Good evening.
Oh, sir.
What happened? Why do you sound very low?
No, I'm at the parlor.
Are you trying to enhance your beauty? You are increasing my heartbeat.
Why did you call me?
Abhirami, did I disturb you?
I don't mean that.
Yes, it is.
Oh, no, sir. Actually, I have put on a cream on my face.
Oh, sorry. Okay, when you're free, please call me. Okay?
Okay, sir. I'll call you.
Bye.
Mummy, phone. Who is it, Mummy? Is it Dad?
No. Why do you carry all this?
Mm.
Hello?
Abhirami didn't call me?
Oh, sorry, sir. I was engrossed in some work.
Okay.
Was it, sir?
Oh, I just wanted to hear a sweet voice.
Oh,
Oh, I was just thinking about these working women. They work full time at the office, then husband and child. It will be tough. Must be boring.
that's all part of life. All people do.
Yes. But you are so beautiful. To work in just a private firm? I don't have this kind of idea. It's not a joke, seriously. Why don't you try in media, Abhirami?
Which means?
Yes, cinema, serial, modeling. Shall I tell you the truth? You are so sweet. Like a model girl.
Oh, thank you.
Can I do something for you?
Oh no, I have never thought that way.
Do you like it?
I like it, but I don't know if my husband will like it or not.
Abhirami, why should you give up your aspiration? Don't think that way, it's so bad. Why you sacrificing your dream? Just for the sake of your husband, your marriage? You also have some dreams. It's a foolish thing. I'm telling the truth.
Maybe, but sir, are you married?
If I were married, I would have lost my love.
Love to whom?
Anyone. Or anything beautiful. Why did you laugh?
I like the way you speak.
Only to those whom I like.
Thank you.
I told you, you're very sweet. And your voice is so sweet. Abhirami, I'm giving you an offer. If you don't mind, I am inviting you to be the model for my jewelry. Abhirami,
Oh, sir, why all that unnecessarily?
I'm serious. I got this idea when I saw you for the first time. On your hands, neck, ears. Not even a single scar on you, Abhirami. Because you are a traffic stopper. You didn't reply?
Reply.
I am not compelling you. Think about it. Okay? Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Just tell me, I am looking terrible beautiful?
Not so much.
That you will never say I know.
You asked me that you are terribly beautiful or not. Terrible means not beautiful, and you are not terrible. You are so beautiful.
If that is so, then
If you were not beautiful, then why would I have fell for you?
do I have the looks of a model?
Oh ho ho. You look like the models in the Piles ad. Have you ever seen them? Oh.
It's not a joke. I am serious.
Do you have any plans for modeling?
Not now. If I'll get any offer, do you allow me to do it? Tell me truth.
Do you like it?
I don't dislike it. It would be an extra earning also.
Why? Did you get any offer for that?
Not yet, but might get.
Okay, let it come, then we will see. Now come and sleep. Have to go Trivandrum tomorrow.
Bye, mummy.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Sir? Phone.
Hi. Good morning, Abhirami. In the morning itself?
Yeah, that you had said about the modeling.
Yes, yes. Are you okay with it?
Just I want to give it a try.
Very, very good thinking. Abhirami is now becoming practical.
Not like that. Since you said
It's not because I said. Now it's your mind saying. Anyway, I want to see you.
Okay, we'll meet, sir. Where to come?
Are you not going to the office today?
I will take leave today, sir.
Then do one thing. One lady will call you. Margaret. She's my staff. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Come, ma'am. Come. Sir,
Hearty welcome to you, Abhirami.
Thank you, sir.
Sit there. Would you like to something?
Nothing, sir.
Maggie? Maggie is very intelligent. She's a good photographer.
Yes, she told me.
Abhirami came alone. Where is your husband?
He has gone to Trivandrum.
Does he know? Is it with his permission?
I have not told him. But Leo will not be against this.
Abhirami, are you feminist?
Why, sir?
Actually, do you know women's right? Please.
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Abhirami, do you like music?
Yes, I have learned classical dance too.
Oh, very good.
This rendering is by Mehndi Hassan?
Oh. Programs?
No, but after marriage,
Suffering, isn't it? Classical dance, Hindustani music, perfumes. I think we both have the same taste. Abhirami, do you dreams?
a lot.
What all?
Many times, as a princess, sometimes I fly the planes. Yes, once I walked over the sea and ocean also.
Everything has got a psychedelic effect. I like it. Abhirami, which dresses do you like the most? I mean clothes.
Usually, sari, churidar.
Modern outfits?
That's jeans, t-shirts, three-fold, shorts, everything. Instead,
Best matching dress would be short dresses. Because you have a beautiful structure. The beauty that's to be admired by the eyes which can see it. That's my philosophy. What about yours? Okay. Abhirami, your costumes are ready. Just right. Maggie will help. Try it. Try it. Come on. Let me see. Abhirami's appearance.
okay, sir.
Abhirami, what are you thinking? Have you done a big crime in this life? Is that so? A man and a woman have to get involved in a physical relationship. So, a man is also there. Abhirami, can you believe that your husband has not shared the bed with some other woman? Everything is a belief. We are captives of a social concept called morality. You know, the virginity of a woman is considered bigger than a nuclear bomb. Men's selfishness has taught women a word: virginity. What a foolish word.
I feel very awkward.
Hey, calm down.
How am I supposed to face Leo now? We never had secrets to hide from each other. But this.
Then you can reveal it. Then you will see your husband's real face. Then he will just be a man, not your husband. Go and tell your husband. You don't want to go? Take this. Give it to your daughter. Take it. Hold it. Thank you, ma'am.
Mommy, hi. Mommy. Wow, chocolate.
No, dear. Don't eat that. That is lousy.
Mommy, you're fooling me, isn't it?
you? I don't understand you. I have always been with you ever since you became a matured girl.
Hello. Why you didn't call me? Your phone was also switched off.
Battery must have exhausted. I didn't notice.
What happened?
It is just a headache.
Did you have some tablets?
Not necessary. It will be fine. Did you have something? Bread is there.
I'm not hungry. Let me have a bath. Our daughter is insisting for so long for this particular brand's chocolate. Huh. How's your headache?
Getting better.
It's not only headache. Is there any other problem?
Eh? Nothing. Why did you feel so?
Must be just an intuition. We shouldn't have get married. We shouldn't have loved each other and got married. It might be my inferiority feeling. It's my complex that I'm unable to stand by you to pursue your dreams.
Why do you think like that?
Shall we do one thing? This vacation we will go on a tour. Let's get out of this boring routing and all. Ooty, Mysore, Goa, Bangalore. Choice is yours. What do you say?
Not now, Leo. It can be sometime later.
Why are you talking like that? You used to keep insisting.
Yes, right. Still, it can be later.
As you wish. What are you thinking?
Leo, how much do you trust me? Do you believe that I don't hide anything from you?
What can you hide from me? Do you even know how to do that?
I could. I have done something wrong to you. That sari is not worth 3,500.
Okay. What did you think about me?
Huh?
That sari would be at least worth minimum 6 to 7,000. I knew you were lying to me so that I don't get angry. I know you were lying to me just because I don't get angry.
We have never left out without sharing anything.
Then you can reveal it. Then you may see your husband's real face. Then he will just be a man, not your husband.
Cool down, Abhi. Now don't get so tensed about that. I know you cannot hide anything from me. We both are here for each other and our little daughter. Be happy.
Abhi, I have completely verified it. Rest I will do tomorrow. Actually, I'm leaving early today. Bibi and me, we are going for dinner today.
Abhirami, how are you?
Fine.
What happened? You sound low?
No, nothing.
Then?
Sorry, sir. Don't call me hereafter.
Abhirami. Come on, Abhirami. Get into the car.
Sorry. Just leave me alone. I don't know anyone.
What happened to you?
I don't know.
Okay, come and get in.
No, I'm not coming.
Abhirami, please. You don't have to come anywhere. I'm alone in the car. Come with me. Why should you worry about me? I'm not a lesbian. Come. Why have you changed your mind, Abhirami?
I told you, I can't. I'm a wife. I have a daughter. I can't cheat on my husband anymore.
What about all that happened?
Mistake. I can't repeat that mistake.
Abhirami, you were bursting out like a river. Madhavan sir used to share such experiences with me. Am I right?
You didn't blame me. You heard it right. He has satisfied my sexual fantasies. Any woman will fall for him with his one look. A real man. But he is not my husband. I like him, but I equally hate him. Please, don't force me.
If you try to lose Madhavan sir, it will be a great loss for you. You know, you have the sky itself in front of you to achieve. Then why? Tomorrow, this body of yours will also be buried in the earth. This will only be there till you're young. Then later, you may have to repent for it. Instead of this guilt you're feeling.
Please, don't bargain with me. Don't force me, I'm done. I'm going.
Abhirami, wait! I shall drop you. Abhi!
Something is different in the amount, sir. There must be a mistake with the executive. I'll check, sir. It won't happen again, sir. I'll deal with it, sir. Sir. Sir.
Excuse me, sir. Did you call me, sir?
I think that you know the reason.
No, sir.
What are you doing, man? Do you know how much salary you are getting here? And the business you are doing is just good for nothing. Executives are kept to make profits and not to account for the loss of the company. If something happens, I got scolded.
Sir, please don't talk to me like that. I know how much business I make here. And sir, please don't try to blame me. The fault is not mine, sir. And moreover, I am a human being. I'm not an ox or a buffalo. Do your job properly so that you don't have to scold me.
You know, I'm your senior officer. I can sue you, bastard.
What did you just said? I am calling you sir with respect, and you are using abusing words for me?
Shut off your mouth and get out of here!
You son of a bitch! Let me show it to you. What do you think of
You're
yourself?
suspended!
Even I don't want this
Just
job. I am
get out of
resigning
here.
right now.
I don't want
What
to
do you
see
think
your
of
face.
yourself?
Get
Asshole.
out! Mule! Get him out! Reached your place, sir. You can get down. I don't have change, sir. How can I return the balance?
You keep the change. Sir.
No, sir. I won't take it. No,
Just
sir,
keep
I
the
won't take-
change. I said
No,
keep
sir,
the
I-
change and go.
No, sir, I won't take it, sir.
Eh.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, I won't take it, sir.
Hey,
Please.
Just keep it.
What's the problem?
Sir is giving me money and he don't have change. I don't want to keep it.
I have seen the people who give less money, but he is giving you more. My friend, you should be satisfied what you got.
He don't know the value of money.
That's perfectly said. Okay then, good night. Now go. Thank you.
What is this, Leo?
No, nothing. Today I had some drinks all alone. However sincere I behave to everyone, still I receive good for nothing certificate. Do you feel the same, Abhi? But someone told me that today. I tolerated that. But when he called me bastard, I couldn't stop. I bloody slapped him.
To whom?
My superior, manager.
What exactly happened?
Nothing happened. To avoid something from happening, I came over.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Yes, I quit my job. Bloody manager. And his targets. Bastard. I can't bear this anymore. Let him rot in hell. I can't bear it anymore.
Don't get tensed up. That would have been right in Leo's perspective.
He should have thought about our present situation at least. All these times he used to advise me. Because of his earnings, we survive a lot. Already he knows everything about it. But
It's okay. He will get a job somewhere else. I told you, don't get tensed up. Hey, you reached? Okay, coming. Bibi has reached. Let's go. Bibi, this is Abhirami.
Hi.
Come with us. We'll drop you.
no,
Oh.
I'll catch an auto rickshaw.
Okay.
We bought a new car. That's why we are going for shopping. Shall we move? Yeah, tell me.
Hey, is it possible?
Bro, suddenly if you ask for 20 lakhs, how do you think that I can afford that?
How much can you arrange?
Leo, please trust me. All the money is in the Sindhu's bank account. She will not allow me to take a single penny.
Hari, this is my last attempt. There is no one else to ask for.
Yeah, I know. But I told you my situation only.
Oh, so it means you can't help me. Okay. Bastard.
Oh, so this is what you want to doing?
What shall I do then? You don't understand my situation.
This is bad habit, Daddy.
Sorry.
Hope you heard what our daughter said.
Abhi, please.
Dear, go change your clothes. Has it come today?
Yes.
35 lakhs and 15 days. This is lawyer notice.
Are you trying to explain me about it? I have already seen it.
We had known it before. I told you take a cash, but you didn't listen it. Now see what happened?
Stop getting on my nerves.
Then what else to say? You know all about our situations. Meanwhile, you lost your job. The amount of advance paid the property will not be refunded. And they have sent a notice. A kind of blaming.
Let it go. I am not worried at all. It was my money.
But I am worried.
If you're worried, then go hang yourself.
Leo, stop drinking.
Mama?
Sir, shall I take the bill?
It's not done, I'll tell you.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Where are you?
Why?
Are you not coming today?
I want some peace of mind.
Oh, so am I bothering you a lot?
I didn't say that.
Then?
Abhi, please leave me alone.
You are still drinking?
Yes, I'm drinking. Medium. Really medium. We can drink. My Bible of conscience says, don't drink too
Why
much.
are you so hard-hearted to me?
I used to drink before I met you.
Leo, this is not for good.
It's written on bottle itself. Consumption of alcohol is injurious to health.
It's okay. Are you finding some solution for the notice from the lawyer side?
I told you, let it be what it is.
It is very easy to say. Don't forget, we have a daughter.
Darling, I am the son of Chirang Datil Tharyank. He will not be able to see his son in this situation. If necessary, I'll go and ask him. I'll find the way out.
No, we don't need any financial help from your parents. You know they banished you since you got married to me.
Then what should I do, Abhi? Don't keep on repeating again and again. I am totally trapped here. I'm not able to understand anything. My brain is not working. I'm not able to understand. I'm totally confused, Abhi.
Abhirami, what will I tell you? How to make this huge amount in this short notice? If it was a small amount, when Leo was about to ask his father, why did you stop him?
I think you know the reason. I share with you also. Then again to ask them,
Then ask your parents.
my parents were also like that.
Then what should I say? I told you already. If you want, I can help you with smaller amount.
It's okay, I'm going.
You didn't tell me anything.
It's okay, Nithu. I'll see to that.
Okay.
Bye.
Did you think that I would not believe you if you had not shown me the notice?
No, not like that.
Then? But I don't have this much cash. I hope you understand. I have just some dated checks. You know what I mean to say? If I ask for some loan for this, then the reply will be to define a relationship. The relationship between a man and a woman is normally interpreted as sex, isn't it? I started feeling a kind of sympathy towards the husband in Leo. But it can't be interpreted as love. But I too had a chapter like that in my life. A person who used to smother me with love. He deserted me after seeing my fake photo on the internet. Now started approaching me again, apologizing for his faults. Not decided anything yet. I spoke a lot. You must have got bored, didn't you? Is this deadline given in this lawyer notice after 1 week? You don't get upset. We will find some solution.
We could take out the loan if registration finishes.
That's the reason I told you. We will find some solution. Take it.
Shall I leave then?
Okay.
What were you doing on the second floor?
I had been to meet Sandra.
Why?
Just nothing. I'm going to take bath.
Why are you taking bath now? You had a bath in the morning.
Is there any special time to take shower? Huh. Yeah, Abhi. We have fixed the registration for next week. You need not to worry about that anymore. I've also arranged cash for that.
But from where?
Why should you know all that? Someone there's to care for me, darling. Good night. Hey, Abhi, did you give food to the child?
No, I forgot.
Now don't disturb. Let her sleep.
Have you eaten?
There was nothing on dining table. You were in deep sleep. A few pegs were left. I had that. Abhi, are you coming to sleep?
Hello?
Hello, it's me, Abhi.
Why at this time, Abhi?
Has Bibin arrived?
No, he will come tomorrow only. Why?
I just want to talk to you something urgent.
What is that?
I have asked you some cash, right?
Yes.
Then you gave me 30 lakhs.
What, me? When?
You haven't given it to me, but you did. You should say, this is small life for me. Please help me.
What are you saying? What's wrong with you?
As present, listen to me. Otherwise, I might lose my Leo.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
I'll tell you later about all that. Remember what I told you about Sandra? That artist? Now she's also a big problem for me now.
Okay. But that's not my worry. Where will you get the cash from?
Still, I don't know that. But it will happen. I'll call you.
Hello, Abhirami. Again?
Want to meet, sir?
Come in. Abhirami, you want to sit there?
I'm okay here.
Okay.
Hi, Abhirami. Good morning. Sit down. How are you? How's your husband and child?
Fine.
Anyway, I realize how God is great. And earth is round. Am I right? I heard whatever you said about me. You like me? Disgusted me. Isn't what you told? I didn't mean to harass you. Okay, let's leave that. Abhirami, tell me, what is the matter? Any problems? Abhirami, you are in great worry. Tell me, what is your problem? I will help you. Tell me.
I have come here with that expectation. I don't know how you will react. This is only my request. Kindly help me. I urgently required money. We had a given advance for a property. Registration was extended twice. If it happens again, we will lose our advance money.
Cool down, Abhirami. Cool down, cool down. Money is the problem, right? It is not a small thing. It's not easy for all to make money, Abhirami. But we require money for many more things. Without money, a man is like corpse. That's a proverb. Many proverbs are there like that. Hawks will not fly above money. Just like that. Abhirami, you don't get upset. You reached here since you have faith in me. Abhirami, just trust me. I'll not break it. But Abhirami, I don't have any feelings towards you. After you spoke like that to Maggie about me, I lost all my interest in you. But you are very dearest to me. I don't like to throw away anything which is dearest to me. I usually hand it over to someone else. That's my childhood habit. Even if it is twice. I'm not expecting any favor in return. It's just my satisfaction. Abhirami, I hope you understand my point. There's only few dearest one. Might be any of one of them. Might be there is a no one. But that's my liking. But I need the confirmation that you are agreed for it. It's your decision now. But I will not force you. I'm not a pimp to do that. That's my pastime since my childhood. That's first woman I saw was my mother who ditched my father for another man. The first woman I ever saw. As revenge, my father also had fun along with many ladies. Just because of that things. Those memories are my attitude towards ladies. I know that. It's not right. Because of that, I didn't marry. I don't want a next generation from me. That's not the subject now, anyhow. That's you, Abhirami. Abhirami's concern is important. For that, my gift will be beyond your needs. What do you say?
I agree.
If so, we will meet up tomorrow. Here only.
I'll come.
Drena, 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 tana dere, drena, 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 tana dere, drena, 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 tana dere, drena, 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 tana dere na, tana tom da 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 dare dani dare dani ta dare dani o dani tom 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 tana na 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 drena drena drena.
Abhirami, you came. I knew it. Because the problem you face are very serious. I know that. And also, and you are keeping a big secret in your married life. You know how to walk along with the time. In future, even if you end the relationship with me, you can be good prostitutes. You are very smart. And you know how to satisfy anyone. The word I wanted to hear from your mouth was that you are agree. It was just my ultimate nature. I don't give any of my beloved things to anyone. I lock it in my safest locker for the purpose of safety. To solve your problems, don't extend your hands in front of others. I don't like you becoming anyone's also, even if it is your husband, Abhirami. I want to feel your body heat and your fragrance. From the second time you returned, I am craving for it.
Though I know the great man Mohandas, his behavior, I knew hit him very well before. Well, it was my mistake to have come for help. I came here because it is my compulsion. But I got this. When I met you first, there were 2 Abhiramis in me. But I killed other Abhirami. I want to say this. You will not be able to provoke this Abhirami.
Don't underestimate me. I am very possessive about you. You can demand anything from me. Anything.
I don't want any favor from you. I came here to give your gift back. Take your gift.
Abhirami, it's precious. You can't even dream about it, Abhirami.
I am not going to dream hereafter. Take this back.
What a shame. I had gifted it to you, Abhirami. I'm not so cheap to take back the gift once given.
You didn't give it free. You gifted it for having a sex relation with you. Understand? Or else a reward. In a sex, a man and woman has an equal contribution with each other. It's not just the man enjoying woman also. Then why don't women also? So in that case, it's a reward for using you. Keep it yourself. Goodbye.
Abhirami. 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 Maggie, call her. Make her understand. She might do some blunder. Maggie, listen to me. Call her back.
No. Let her at least be saved.
She had defeated me. Abhirami. Our girl has succeeded to defeat Madhav Das. How silly you are. As a woman, she's great. Don't be so arrogant. No more of your arrogance. You are a fool.
We could have brought our daughter along.
Do you remember this place, Leo?
Yes, I remember. It has changed a lot.
Yes.
Why did you ask me to come here? Is it to remember the past?
No. It's to ask you to forget the past.
Why are you talking like this?
I want from you a divorce.
Abhi. Abhi. But why?
You will never understand and will not be able to also. Do you remember when I asked you? Do you believe that I don't hide anything from you? Your answer was, what can you hide from me? After that, I told you I could. That time I told you a truth. You didn't observe it. A small lie about the price of sari. You never thought anything more than that, and I was scared. I was scared to lose your affection. So I didn't say anything after that. That was my selfishness. Since then I was feeling so much disturbed. And now, I can't go without telling you the truth at least. Let's end this. I need the divorce. Today I want it. I only loved you and did not want to lose it. But now, which will not be possible now. Everything is over. Everything is over.
Abhi? Abhi, what are you saying? What happened to you?
Even after listening all this, aren't you able to even guess anything?
Abhi, I didn't understand anything.
Can't you understand the pain of a woman? Do I need to scream to tell her husband that she had slept someone? She has become a promiscuous now.
Abhi, you...
Yes. It happened.
Abhi, you're lying to me, right? You just forgot me and our little kid. How can I believe this?
That because you love me so much. If you come to hear the truth about me from someone else's mouth, then I can't even think about it. You can give me any punishment.
And the child will be the first petitioner. Father, in view of the circumstances, the petition is allowed and divorce is granted.
Let me go. I will come back, my baby.
Mummy, when will you come?
I'll come soon, dear.
Mummy?